It's burning up outside, and the last thing you want to do is slave away over a hot stove or grill. Hey there, my name is London Brazil from EvolvingTable.com, where you'll learn how to make nourishing meals for your loved ones. And that healthy recipe today are these oven-baked sheet pan chicken fajitas. And they're actually made with some homemade taco seasoning mix that I teach you how to make right up here. If you haven't watched that video, pop on over there and then come back and I'll show you how to make these chicken fajitas. If you're ready to get to cooking, come on in and let's get started. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees. We'll first start off by preparing about 1 1/4 to 1 1/2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breast. When I'm doing this inside versus outside, I normally like to cover the chicken with a little bit of either parchment paper or wax paper. Doing this prevents all of those icky, germy chicken juices from splattering all over the kitchen. So go ahead and just pound your chicken to about 1 inch thick. And then cut into thin slices. Or you can just wave your magic knife wand and it's all prepped. Now that our chicken is prepared, let's move on to whipping up our fajita marinade. The primary ingredient that you will need is taco seasoning mix. If you want to make it at home, you can check out this video up here. Add 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning to a medium-sized bowl, along with 2 1/2 tablespoons of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce or tamari sauce. You can also use coconut liquid aminos if you happen to be on a soy-free or paleo diet. Add 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, and the juice of 1 lime. A lemon will also work great in this recipe too. Whisk marinade until completely combined and pour it over the prepared chicken in a 1-gallon Ziploc bag. Place the chicken with the marinade in the refrigerator and let marinate for 15 minutes or up to an hour. For the vegetables, I've got 3 different colored bell peppers and 1 large sweet onion. You can also use all of 1 color of bell pepper or a red or yellow onion instead. Thinly slice the bell peppers and onion. Okay, let's speed things up here a bit. Line a large baking sheet with parchment paper or aluminum foil. Place vegetables on the baking sheet and drizzle with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Sprinkle with 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, and then toss to coat. I went ahead and grabbed our chicken from the refrigerator that had been marinating for about 15 to 20 minutes. Make room for the chicken in the middle of all of those veggies and place it in a single layer. Let excess marinade drip off of the chicken before placing it onto the sheet. Alright, so now let's just pop these into our 375 degree oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. Set the oven to a high broil and broil for 2 to 3 minutes. Our baked chicken fajitas are out of the oven and they look so good. I'm gonna probably be serving these up on a few toasted corn tortillas, but if you're on a low-carb diet, you can always avoid those extra carbohydrates by serving these up either by themselves, in a lettuce wrap, or over a bed of cauliflower rice. But seriously, I can't wait to put these in a corn tortilla. I just wanna dig in and take a bite already. One more thing, just a little sprinkle of cilantro on top. I think it really gives it a nice freshness to these fajitas. Time to dig in. Oh yeah. If you want a few more Mexican-inspired dishes, go ahead and check out this Mexican shrimp ceviche as well as this homemade salsa recipe. And if you're not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up. And I'll see you again soon.